If you need to add a DNS record in GoDaddy, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you are pointing your domain to a website, verifying ownership for a service, or setting up email, adding the correct DNS record is an important part of getting everything connected properly. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is where all of your registered domains and services are listed. Once you are on that page, look through your domain list and click directly on the specific domain you want to update. Make sure you choose the right domain, especially if you own more than one, because DNS changes only apply to the domain you select. After clicking the domain, you will be taken to the domain settings page. From here, look for the DNS tab or the Manage DNS option. This is the area where all of your DNS records are stored and managed. Once you open it, you will see the current records for your domain, such as A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and MX records. Now that you are in the DNS records section, the next step is to add the new record. Click the Add New Record button, or simply the Add button depending on the layout you see. GoDaddy may display the options a little differently depending on your account or interface version, but the process is the same. Next, open the Type drop-down menu and choose the record type your service provider asked you to create. If you are connecting your domain to a hosting server, you will usually need an A record. If you are pointing a subdomain like www to another domain, you will likely use a CNAME record. If you are verifying your domain for services like Google Workspace or SSL certificates, a TXT record is commonly used. And if you are configuring email delivery, you may need an MX record. Once you have selected the correct type, fill in the required fields carefully. In the name or host field, enter the host name for the record. If you want to apply the record to your main root domain, use the @ symbol. If you are creating a subdomain, enter only the subdomain prefix. For example, if your record is for blog.yourdomain.com, you would enter blog in the host field. In the value or points to field, paste the destination information exactly as provided by your service. This might be an IP address for an A record, a text string for a TXT record, or a server name for a CNAME record. It is very important to copy this information exactly, because even a small typo can cause the record to fail. If you see a TTL setting, that stands for time to live. This controls how long servers cache your DNS information. In most cases, it is best to leave this set to the default option, which is usually 1 hour, unless your provider specifically tells you to use something different. After you have entered all the details, review everything one more time before saving. This final check can save you from common mistakes like using the wrong host name, choosing the wrong record type, or pasting the wrong destination value. When everything looks correct, click Save. GoDaddy will then add the new DNS record to your domain. In some cases, the update may take a little time to fully spread across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. DNS changes can take some time to propagate, depending on the record and your provider, and that's it. You have now learned how to add a DNS record in GoDaddy. Once you know where to go and what each field means, the process becomes much easier. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.